Good morning, and today we're going to be looking at three-dimensional vectors. We were looking particularly at three-dimensional coordinates the last day, and we've managed to sneak a few three-dimensional vectors into some of the questions you've covered in previous exercises so far, but we'll have another deeper look at them today. Okay, so in a vector with three components, the first two tell us how many units we move along in the x and y direction, and the third one is along the z direction. Okay, now we can have a different notation for our vectors, and we can use the I, j, k notation. Now the I, j and k are unit vectors. Remember, a unit vector is one vector, 1 unit long. Unit vectors in the x, y and z direction. So the I matches up with the x, the j matches up with the y, and the k matches up with the z. They are alphabetical order, I, j, k, x, y, z. Okay, in component form, these basis vectors are written as I, j, k in that way. Now that's usually where you see the x, the y and the z. Okay, now because they're 1 unit long, if the I is going along the x-axis, it's going to have a 1 in the x component, okay, in component form. The j would be like that, and the k would be like that, okay? Okay, now, what you really have to do here is to be able to understand how to convert between vectors that are in component form and vectors that are in I, j, k form, and going back and forward that way. It's very, very simple to do. Just remember that the I, j, k is in the same order as x, y, z, okay? So to write this in component form, the 3 will just simply become the first component, the 2 for the j will become the second component, the y component, and the -4 for the k will become the third component. So that's how you make them equivalent to each other. Very, very simple. So you'll see sometimes vectors written in this new format. That's something you haven't seen at National 5 yet, okay? So very simply, express this in component form. There's no I here. Be careful if it's in a funny order, okay? It's got to be I, j, k. So you're looking for your I, there's no I. Then the second one is your j, which is -3, and your third one is your k, which is 5. So there's no I, which means there'll be a 0, -3 for the j, and 5 for the k. So just watch out for the order, okay? Okay, now, that's not all you're going to be doing today. You're going to be doing a mixture of all the things that we've been covering so far, for all of the different things that we've done within the vectors topic so far, but particularly focusing on three-dimensional vectors. So a couple of exercises here today. So exercise 13M, questions 1 to 4, and then a selection of questions from exercise 13N. Okay, so it's really everything we've done so far, but focusing in particular on 3 dimensions. If you have any questions, as always, don't hesitate to ask your teachers for help. And remember to send in a copy of your marked work so we can give you some advice. Take care and good luck. Bye.